Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming hardware and permissions so you can move fast. Make sure your device supports tethering, Bluetooth PAN, or USB AUX. Without that, you can't bridge a connection. Once done, gather a second phone, tablet, or USB cellular dongle and a USB cable or Bluetooth pairing credentials. Enable necessary settings like developer options and USB debugging or hotspot mode so the operating system exposes networking interfaces. This sets the stage to actually share a connection without a SIM or Wi-Fi. Now you build the bridge between devices so traffic can flow. Connect the internet-capable device via USB and enable USB tethering, or pair devices and activate Bluetooth PAN to create a network interface. If you're using a USB cellular dongle on a laptop, install drivers and turn on network sharing to expose that interface to the target device. Configure addressing. Either set static IPs quickly or allow DHCP on the host so the other device receives an address and default gateway automatically for internet access. Finish by confirming connectivity and resolving common issues. Test the link by pinging 8 or loading a web page. If pages fail, check that the host's firewall permits forwarding and that NAT or internet connection sharing is active. Make sure DNS is set or use a public resolver. If you still don't get a connection, restart the network interfaces, repair Bluetooth, or unplug and replug the USB cable. These simple resets often clear driver or handshake problems and restore access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.